nobody's doing anything about it. Not the E-Force, not the Agoj. Nobody.
Brother, Vasilis went missing.
Who?
Vasilis, he's in your age class?
He knows. We're sorry to hear that.
Where I'm from, you never abandon a sister, much less a student.
We'll definitely keep an eye out. Did you know we have an Irons pass?
Yeah, you might have mentioned it. I gotta go.
Why did you promise that?
I didn't promise anything. I said we'd keep an eye out.
Let's just go.
Where are you two reprobates?